Hello Facebook users. Have you ever wondered how to review all the posts you've liked on Facebook? You're lucky. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the steps to see all the posts you've liked on Facebook, ensuring you can relive those memorable moments. Step 1. Open the Facebook application. Step 2. Click on the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines. Step 3. Here you will redirect to your personal profile. Step 4. Under See Dashboard and Add to Story. You will select the 3 dots to the right of the Advertise function. Step 5. When you go to Profile Settings, you will see the Activity Log section with 3 bullets and 3 dashes overlapping each other, and it is on the 5th line from the top. Step 6. Continue to select your Facebook activity. In this section you can view all of your or other people's activities that have been saved by Facebook, such as posts, comments and reactions, activity you're tagged in, saved items and collections messages, etc. You will adjust them through the Managed section located below them. Remember that Facebook automatically saves your activities here and you can delete it, review what day, month and year it was done. We hope the above steps can help you. Thanks for watching and see you on our channel in the next videos. AnHome Tech.